Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cut and trim clips in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, click on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Then drag your footage from the media pool into the timeline. Then click the blade tool in the toolbar above the timeline or press B on your keyboard. Then click the part of the clip that you want to cut. Switch back to the selection tool or press A to move or delete the sections. Then hover your mouse at the beginning or end of the clip into the timeline. When the trim icon appears, click and drag to shorten the clip. And press T or click the trim edit mode. And this helps you make a precise trims without breaking the timeline flows. And done, cutting and trimming lets you shape your video exactly how you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.